What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Eat That Pussy 445. I beat the fuck.
What the fuck?
You never seen that?
Yeah. Alright, welcome back to the channel. We got our boy Wraith here.
What's up?
I'll put his channel in the link or in the description. What we're doing here is we got 2020 Malibu and we're doing a air intake on it. So we've got this far, we've gotten the intake actually out, but not the hose yet. We got a K&N intake. I'm just ready to hear what this thing sounds like with it. I don't think it'll increase horsepower, but so much. But
Probably say like two.
maybe, probably two.
2 horsepower. That's aircraft taxi 101.
All right, so we just got it put in. Honestly, the only hardest part was getting this tube off, right?
Crankcase ventilation.
Yeah, sure. That was basically the only hardest part to me, but the rest was pretty simple. I mean, it's self-explanatory. 2 there, 1 back here. That's about it. But yeah, we're about to fire it up.
Yeah.
See how it sounds.
Pretty damn good. That sounds good.
Hell yeah. Yeah, that sounds good.
Give it a thumbs up.
Yeah, I like that.